It's important to recognise those who have made a positive difference within their teams and the credit profession at large. This award is given to someone who is passionate and devoted to credit and with a minimum of 3 years experience. We look for active contribution to industry events, credit workshops, education, organisational redesign and technology. The recipient of this year's award meets all the criteria and is one of the first to accept to support ourselves as an association from our very early days. The winner for this particular award will be introduced by Mr. Eduardo Penichet. So Eduardo, if you come and join us, please. Thank you, sir.
Mark, thank you very much.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. My pleasure to be here with you. For those that I haven't had the pleasure to meet before, my name is Eduardo Peniche. I am the Managing Director of the Global Shared Services of Avis Budget Group here in the Budapest operations. I'm from Mexico, so you can hear my Latino accent that you have here. But it's an honor to be here, and it's a pleasure to be the one that is going to be delivering this award. When Mark invited me to be part of this celebration tonight, I couldn't say no. The reality is that it's an honor for me to recognize as well those individuals that are in this profession. I'm also a chartered accountant by profession as well, many years been in the shared service industry in different parts of the world, but I consider myself a globetrotter, living in places such like India, Sofia, the United States, Mexico, and just recently moved over here. And we all know how hard it is, our profession. And for those that live with that level of passion, for sure you know that coming to this level of engagement, passion, day-to-day dedication, for almost 2 decades, the individual that I'm going to be presenting this award for, it is just an example of that passion, that dedication. It's an honor for me to present this award, and double because the winner on this occasion for this award is Mr. Rahul Malhotra of the Avis Budget Group.
Gotcha.
Thank you, Eduardo. I'm speechless, but thanks, Marty, wherever you're sitting. So I think definitely it's an honor to get this award from Eduardo. My appraisal came in early. You know, normally the appraisal comes in March, but it has come early for me. But special thanks to Mark as well for doing a great job. We have an association for last 4 years now, and but I think I kind of feel a bit shy taking award in my name. I've been working in the industry for 17 years now, 17 and a half. I would say this award goes to my team. I mean, it's not being cheesy, but I really mean it. It takes 3 things to make a dream team, which is right people, right spirit, and inside jokes. By the way, it's not something that I said, but I have a team like that. So we enjoy, we do things with great passion, and thanks for the acknowledgement. Really appreciate that. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you both. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.